With Vocabulary A to Z, you can help every student at every level build foundational vocabulary, spelling, and phonics skills and improve reading proficiency. To make it easy for you to get started, this video highlights the steps you can take to quickly create vocabulary, spelling, and phonics lessons, generate classroom materials, and assign digital practice activities. Finally, we'll show you how you can use online reports to give you better insights into individual, small group, and class-wide instructional needs. Vocabulary A to Z provides pre-made lesson plans that include words found in specific Reading A to Z, Raz Plus ELL Edition, or Science A to Z units. You can also choose from Reading Series resources to select pre-made lessons for Harcourt Trophies, Macmillan Treasures, Scott Forsman Reading Street, or Howden Mifflin Harcourt Journeys, among others. This allows teachers to integrate vocabulary, spelling, and/or phonics into reading lessons and assign practice in multiple ways, including interactive game-based activities. Vocabulary A to Z's vast word bank also allows you to add your own custom words, so you can quickly and easily create your own vocabulary lessons. After you select New Lesson, you can search the Vocabulary A to Z word bank to find a word and related words to add to your list. You can also choose from word lists organized by function and content, or a variety of special lists, including common core academic vocabulary, Dolch sight words, and frequently used word lists. Once you select a list, you'll see words organized into Tier 1 basic words, Tier 2 frequently used words, and Tier 3 specialized words. You can navigate alphabetically through the list, then hover over the word to see the definition, context sentences, and images. Simply click the plus sign to add words to your lesson. Once you've selected all the words you want in your lesson, you can create or select a category for your lesson, give it a name, and then click Save. To choose a pre-made lesson for a Reading A to Z leveled book, select the reading level and type of book, then click the book icon to view the list. Whether you rely on pre-made lessons or your own custom lessons, you have the same print and digital assignment options for classroom instruction, small group, or individual practice. Printable resources include lesson plans, worksheets, assessments, and printed activities to support a complete blended learning experience for your students. Digital assignment allows you to extend vocabulary, spelling, and/or phonics practice to students so they can complete game-based activities that incorporate assigned word lists. Students can practice in class or at home on a PC or mobile device. Assignment options allow teachers to easily choose from 3 different instructional sequences students see when lessons are assigned to them. The default assignment option provides a preset instructional sequence that includes an introduction, practice activities, and an assessment quiz for spelling, phonics, or vocabulary lessons. Student-selected assignment allows students to choose what activities to complete and must complete at least one activity before taking the assessment quiz. An intervention assignment option allows teachers to select the specific games and assessment quiz a student will see. To access their assignments, students log in through the Kids A to Z mobile app or online portal. Kids A to Z includes customizable avatars and award badges to reward and motivate students to practice and build their vocabulary. Students can access game-based practice activities for custom word lists from the Vocabulary Planet or practice assigned reading or science-related vocabulary practice from the Reading or Science Planets, along with other Reading A to Z or Science A to Z assignments. Each Vocabulary A to Z assignment includes a range of game-based activities that students can choose from to practice vocabulary in a way that's fun. Once students have successfully completed practice exercises, they can access and complete a vocabulary, spelling, or phonics quiz for that lesson. Teachers can manage their classroom roster, view assignments and reports to monitor student progress and assess needs as students complete activities online. Activity Report provides an added level of detail about each student's interactions with Vocabulary A to Z. With Vocabulary A to Z, you have a comprehensive, blended learning platform that delivers vocabulary resources for teacher-led instruction, independent student practice, assessment and reporting, along with parent access to support and promote their involvement. Start using Vocabulary A to Z today. and watch your students' vocabulary, spelling, and phonics skills grow.